Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Now, if you're only new to trying to make money online, you might want to consider trying affiliate marketing. Usually it's fairly cheap to get started, and it usually doesn't take a huge amount of time to start making money online. However, if you don't have an entrepreneurial spirit, you might find this a very difficult process for yourself. In today's video, we're going to be speaking about the truth about affiliate marketing. Is it really the easiest way to make money online? The first part of the video, we're going to be speaking about affiliate marketing. And near the end of the video, we're going to be talking about other avenues you can take if you don't feel like marketing is in fact the way you want to go. So stick around to the end and find out about other alternatives on how you can be making money online besides marketing. All right, let's go check it out. If you're new to trying to make money online, then you might want to consider affiliate marketing as a fantastic option. It's usually cheap to get started, and it doesn't take a huge amount of time or effort to make money online. Don't get me wrong, it still requires work, but it's easy compared to working in a factory or an office where you have a boss riding you all of the time. Affiliate marketing is fairly easy. Besides, you are your own boss. In today's video, we're speaking about the truth about affiliate marketing. Is it really the easiest way to make money online? Stick around to the end where I'll give you my honest opinion. Let's start off with the basics of affiliate marketing. Then we'll examine other avenues that you can explore if affiliate marketing isn't right for you. Affiliate marketing is a great way to get income for your website and a great introduction to e-commerce. The more people that visit your website, the better your chances will be to generate an excellent income online. Affiliate marketing programs are where a vendor or a product creator offers to pay you a commission for selling their products. That amount can vary from as low as 5% up to 75%, depending on the product you're selling. You can choose to set up a link and send people to your website. You can create YouTube videos and promote the product by doing product reviews. Or you can choose to pay money to promote it on places like Google, Facebook, or other social media sites. You can choose to give away a free product through a landing page and collect emails so you can promote it to your email list. Once someone signs up to your list, you can make relevant offers to that list so you can make regular income. Another excellent thing about affiliate programs is that even if visitors don't make a purchase immediately, almost all programs offer cookie durations, normally lasting around 30 to 90 days. What this means is that as long as the visitors have the cookies in their cache, you'll still be receiving a commission from the sale. The three biggest sites where you can find products to promote online are ClickBank, 𝗕𝗏𝗁, and Warrior Plus. Each of these sites are excellent places to go to find products to promote. So you don't have to search all day to find products to promote to your list, audience, or social media base. Even though there's a lot of money in affiliate marketing, you have to take the time to search for the best niche that suits you. Niche research. Niche research is one of the most important parts when you first start in affiliate marketing. There are some niches out there that don't make you money at all. Those sort of niches are considered hobby niches. Don't bother trying to promote products around things like scrapbooking, because there's very little money that can be made from that particular niche. You're far better off looking for a niche that other people are buying from. You might say, Henry, doesn't that mean there's going to be a lot of competition? It does mean there will be some competition, but it also means there are some buyers prepared to purchase from those links. Don't ever be afraid of competition, because where there is competition, it means there are buyers for that particular niche. I would suggest that you go to the ClickBank marketplace because it has a good range of buyer niches that you can choose from. You know that these niches have already been proven in the marketplace. That's why whenever I create a video around niche research, ClickBank is usually the first place I take people to. Places you can promote to. If you decide to promote from your own website or blog, You can use banners that contain your affiliate link to the product that you are reviewing. This helps people to know what the product is and makes it easier for your customers to click on. Just try and not overdo it with the banners. If you use too many banners or links on any web page, it can confuse and irritate people. More than one animated element on your web page can be very distracting as well. Also, you can include links to the product within your text. Track your progress. It's an excellent idea to use a tracker so you can keep track of your affiliate links. Trackers can tell you a lot about which of your traffic sources is doing the best. They tell you where the click came from, whether you made a sale or not, and how many people engaged with your link or page. You can use link shorteners like bit.ly. Bitly can shorten the affiliate link and prevent people from stealing the commissions out from under you. Recurring income. Another thing you should consider is to find a link that promotes products that have a recurring income. Recurring revenue will help to establish a consistent and reliable income for the future. It's what all the big affiliate marketers do to generate income month in and month out. It's fairly easy to find products in ClickBank that have recurring income. What you need to do is to go to the ClickBank marketplace. After that, go to the niche that you're wanting to promote. Then you look under the product to see if the product offers a recurring income. It's important to make sure you check the website and see if the website looks old, like it belongs to something from the late 1990s. A modern, up-to-date website shows that your product is current and therefore more relevant to today's ever-changing world. Now let's check out another form of income that you can do to make money online. Oh, now let's face it, not everybody is an entrepreneur. Some people might be better off working as a freelancer where they can get paid for a particular service. You might want to go to somewhere like Upworks or even Fiverr and offer your services on places like that. You may well be skilled at video editing, Photoshop, web design, or a myriad of any other mad skills that you might have that you can offer for a fee. Now let's have a look at transcriptions. There are a number of transcription sites that are out there on the market. One of those places is a place called 1888typeitup.com. And in this particular place, it allows you to be able to join up as a transcriptionist. And then, as you can see, last updated Thursday, 22nd of September, they're currently still hiring people. So you're able to get a job with these guys as a transcriptionist. Now, the thing with these guys is you do need to sit down and do an exam before they'll accept you in there. For you to be able to do the exam, you'll be having to pay a $59 fee for the exam fee, and a real person will go through your transcription and they'll mark it for you. But you get a couple of attempts to be able to get this done. Once you get accepted, you can then start working as a transcriptionist for 1888 Type It Up. Now, another place you can go to is called TranscribeMe. TranscribeMe's been around for a while now, and I will say one thing about it, it's one of those better places where it pays a decent amount of money, and it's a bit easier to get in. Now, we have an industry best rate with earnings starting from $15 to $22 per audio hour. So for every audio hour that you transcribe, you can get between $15 to $22 per audio hour. Now, you'll also have some training that you can do as well. I don't see anywhere here where you have to pay an exam fee. So that doesn't mean you don't have to. It just means I haven't been able to see it on this section here. If you're going to be going for anything, try TranscribeMe first and go from there. Now, the next place we're going to be looking at is called Scribby. Scribby is also a transcription site as well, and all you need to do is get verified through them. And then once you get verified through them, in other words, you have to sit there and do a test again. And they want to know that you can actually type English well, because they're being paid to do the job, and then they will pay you a percentage of the job that's been done. So they'll pay you between $5 per audio hour to $20 per audio hour, depending on what it is you're transcribing. And the best part about all of these sites, best part about this is that you can go through the list of what's on offer and you can choose for yourself what you want to do. If you want to be able to choose a higher paying one, then you can do that. But just be aware that if you're doing a higher paying one, then you also have to do a higher quality work. So just be prepared for that. Okay, so my conclusion. From the perspective of as an entrepreneur, I do believe affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make money online. However, saying that, if you don't have an entrepreneurial spirit and you still want to be able to make money online, then you might want to consider trading your time for money. This can either be done through freelancing on sites like Upwork or Fiverr, or it could be as a transcriber or as a transcriptionist and get some work for any of these 3 sites. For a person who doesn't have an entrepreneurial spirit, affiliate marketing would in fact be really difficult for them to be able to make money online because they're just not wired that way. But if they're prepared to put in the hours of work needed per day when they want to do transcriptions or something like that, then they can get paid online by doing stuff like that. Okay guys. Hey guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of these alternatives to marketing online. Alright guys, just to let you know that over here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like, and right here is an image of my head. If you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.